Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to sign out from Google on Truecaller. First open Truecaller. Now click on your profile here and then click settings. After that scroll down until you find privacy center and scroll down again, and here we'll find this one, disconnect Google. Click on it and click yes, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. And now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.